Hey there, Maple Avenue. This is Mr. Martino, and this week what we're going to be looking at is the Renaissance. So this week we're going to be taking a look, of course, you got your Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Leonardo, Michelangelo, Donatello, and them. Of course, we're going to be talking about the Ninja Turtles, right? Wrong. Sorry to burst your bubble there. We're actually talking about these guys. That's where the Ninja Turtles get their name from. So these are the original turtles, if you will. And with this, we're going to learn about a new learning because Renaissance means a rebirth. And what did they bring back? A lot of relearning of the classics, which included um, ancient Greek, and ancient Roman pieces. So, our first piece that we're going to be taking a look at is actually a quote from William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare comes more in the later half of the Renaissance period, but he is very influential in what he has to give us. And I decided, you know what, let's keep it short, literally. And let's look at things that are short this week. Um, William Shakespeare in his play Hamlet in Act Two, there is this quote where it talks about brevity. And he says, brevity is the soul of wit. What does that mean? Well, let's break it down. We know that brevity means is concise and exact use of words in writing or speech. And we know that wit can mean two things. It can mean a mental sharpness or inventiveness or in keen intelligence. Or we have a definition of it today for a lot of humor. So we can almost come up to this point that are there two meanings to this quote? So I'm going to take a more originalist approach to this quote to think of what would Shakespeare think this quote would be more an original, uh, how the word would have been used in his time period. So I'm going to go with brevity. So keeping things short is the soul of the intelligent. If you keep things short and to the point, you show your intelligence. So if we were to put this in today's terms, it's better to be concise with your words than it is to blabber on, if you will. So what I want you to do this week is to find a quote that relates to things being brevity, or another word for that could be concision. Put the author in, and we'll have a discussion on it on the discussion board.